So the trusses from where all the roofs were leaking were all rotted out. Now that the new roof's on, we've been rebuilding the trusses in here. This thing was falling down almost a foot. So we've been taking the old walls that we were busting out and using the wood to reframe the trusses today. And this is where we stopped. So this is what we're dealing with. Broken trusses. So far it's all level. All the way down. New wood. New bracing. And then we got to do all this all the way back. All the way back. We got to rebuild all these trusses.
Put this in the truck.
And we got it all gutted out. Don't forget to subscribe.